Alright, what's up? I'm Ayan. Today I will tell you about PowerISO, the all-in-one solution to all of your ISO files. This is probably the best ISO processing software known as PowerISO. It can do everything that you want with your ISO files, including a lots of stuff that you could not do before. So these are the main features of these PowerISO. I mostly use it to edit or something like burning the ISO, make a bootable USB out of it. So let's go ahead and download PowerISO like this. I'll provide the link in the description so you can download it and check it out for yourself. Let's just wait for the download to complete. After the download is complete, just open up the file, or you can just simply go to the file explorer option. Here you can see I have already downloaded the Kali Linux live ISO image just to demonstrate the software's power. Okay, let's open it up. If you get any prompts, simply say yes to them. And here we need to agree to the license. Simply install it in the default location like I will do. And here you can see there are some options that you can change right from here. If you want to change the settings, you can change that. You can also select all of them or even unselect all of them. So I am going with the default settings and also selecting all of these. I do not want it to run automatically, that is why I am just unchecking those boxes. Okay, now we have successfully installed PowerISO. Now I'm going to show you how to use it. Simply search for PowerISO. This icon might be available on your desktop. You can check it out, or just simply press the power key and you will find the PowerISO file. This is a trial version. If you want the full version, you have to pay for it, which I will not recommend. I am always using the trial version, that is why. Okay. Now if you have read everything, simply just continue the trial version. This is the interface of the PowerISO. What we can do here is just open up the file, add the file, extract the file, copy, burn, convert, USB file, make a bootable USB out of it. First of all, we need to select the ISO file. This is how I have selected it. You can even open up different settings in the PowerISO which you could not do before. You cannot change these settings until you have PowerISO. There are some lots of stuff here around here. These are all the files. I can even edit the files, change the files, create new files even, and also I can make bootable USB drive, clean the USB drive. I can also install Windows to a USB drive using this PowerISO. I'll just have to find the Windows ISO and do this. Also, you can convert the ISO files into different formats. If you want the DD format, you can do that right from here. Also, you can encrypt your ISO files so no one is able to access it. Simply just put an encrypted password right here, and also you can change those passwords later on. Well, I am not setting a password right now, so I'm just gonna cancel it. There are some other stuff here around here as well. You need to do whatever you want with this PowerISO tool. If you want to make a bootable CD or DVD drive, you can also do that. Just run the ISO on that file and that will make a bootable CD or DVD drive, which no one really uses these days. Nice to know, by the way. Here are some other tools like burning the ISO to a DVD or CD file, like I just said. You can do this right here. Select the ISO file and then you need to select the DVD file. You have to have a rewritable DVD or CD. This is the about section. I don't think there is much else that I can show you here. Well, it is now up to you to download and use PowerISO and also explore other features and settings and everything else. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Take care.